I was raped by the driver of a man asking me out. Let's make a very yummy one-pot rice while I share a story from one of my followers here on TikTok. If you missed part 1, go check my last post. So when the driver came back, he just came into the room, closed the door and locked it. I was surprised. I asked him, why are you locking the door? And he was like, since you don't want to give it to my boss, you are going to give it to me. This guy I was talking to for over 2 hours at the sit out all of a sudden turned into a beast. It was like he was possessed. It dawned on me that this is not a joke anymore. I just started crying and begging him that I thought he was cutting me for his boss. This guy ignored me and was very violent on me. I tried to scream and I struggled, and it was just a total waste of time, and so I just let him have his way. When he was done, it was as if the beast that had possessed him just calmed down immediately. He started apologizing and said he was sorry. Please don't tell my boss, I'm very, very sorry. He then forced me to smile and take a selfie with him, and then put me in a cab and left. Immediately I entered this cab, I started shedding tears. I was crying uncontrollably. I was hot. It was the first time I had gone through anything like that in my life. The cab driver and other passengers were just asking me what's wrong, and I couldn't just tell them anything. Immediately I got back home, I told my roommate about it, and we just cried together that night. My roommate sent a very threatening text message to him. I guess that's why he kept calling me throughout that night till the morning. He kept calling me, sending text messages. Soon he even started saying, did I force you? Are you not the one that accepted to do it? And he even claimed that he has proof that I was the one that accepted to do it. Anyways, I did not further the case because I kind of blamed myself for everything. At the end of the day, that was the last time I ever went to a guy's house. And I am 24 years old now. Even till right now, I have never been strong enough to go into a guy's house alone.
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all. Bye bye.